Hello and welcome to another augmented qubit video. This video has been generated through AI, so please keep this in mind when viewing the content. Now let's get started. How will quantum computing impact ChatGPT? November 30th, 2022 will remain evergreen in the tech world. As you know, American Artificial Intelligence, AI, research lab OpenAI launched the generative artificial intelligence chatbot, ChatGPT, on the said date. ChatGPT means Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an autoregressive language model that leverages deep learning to output human-like replies. Basically, ChatGPT is an AI-powered natural language processing tool that supports and simulates a human-like conversation. Chatbot. It uses OpenAI's large language models, LLMs, the language processing techniques that enable computers to grasp chats and generate logical replies. Indeed, the AI chatbot took the world by storm as everyday people and businesses use it to tackle their real-world problems. It makes perfect business sense because the generative AI program gives you sensible and logical answers to questions. It also helps you with other tasks such as simulations, coding, generating images, videos and audio, writing articles and emails, etc. 5 days after its release, OpenAI Chief Executive Officer Sam Altman disclosed that the AI tool already had over 1 million users worldwide. In summary, in a customer service environment, you can use ChatGPT to engage customers in multiple languages, analyze sentiments, provide a personalized response, create tailored emails, reply to customer reviews, perform multiple tasks, and the list goes on. All these are the benefits of using the AI chatbot to manage the customer service ecosystem of a typical e-commerce business. Little wonder tech pundits forecast it will leave many people jobless in the coming years. As ChatGPT leaves indelible imprints, one wonders how quantum computing, QC, that's much faster than classical computer, will impact the AI program. 4 ways quantum computing will impact ChatGPT. Now, it is safe to say that you understand how the generative AI models work, the foundational technology of ChatGPT. Now, let's closely examine how will quantum computing impact ChatGPT in the future. 1. Improved accuracy. As you already know, OpenAI built ChatGPT using the generative AI model. Now, one of the challenges of generative AI is the amount of data required to train the models. In other words, the larger the amount of data, the better models. The bigger the amount of data, the harder it becomes to train the neural network. The AI technique enables computers to understand the real world. Over the years, there has been tremendous progress in that space, but industry experts still have a lot to do. Because of the challenge of training a large amount of data in generative AI, this is where quantum computing comes in. Since quantum computing can process a large amount of data and tackle computational puzzles at the speed of light, it will play a significant role in the development of ChatGPT, lowering trick chances. As you have learned, populating the neural network with data and training the model takes time. According to findings, it took OpenAI about 18 months to build ChatGPT's neural network and train the model. It is somewhat due to its multi-stage process of training the model in a massive amount of text data using deep learning techniques. Even though the OpenAI team appears to have reached their finish line, they are obviously getting started. The reason is that they keep updating the AI tool so that people don't abuse it. To be more explicit, since its launch in November 2022, the developers have noticed a trend among some mischief makers who are increasingly trying to trick ChatGPT to make mistakes. It is known as adversarial examples in deep learning. Reduced training time. Since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, many tech analysts have eulogized the chatbot, while critics have raked it over the coals. As for the critics, they compare ChatGPT to human beings, focusing chiefly on its inability to give detailed, satisfactory explanations. Most times they fault ChatGPT, saying that it has limited knowledge because it doesn't have access to a large amount of information like humans. They even consider laughable the idea that ChatGPT will take the place of human roles in companies. Truly, they are not totally wrong because the AI chatbot cannot satisfactorily answer questions about specific niches. In fact, it is not aware of the latest development or changes in some fields. Giving more insights into the debate, a writer published a Medium article faulting ChatGPT's explanation of quantum computing. In all fairness, the OpenAI team has achieved a feat, but they still have work to do. Yes, they know that. Lower computational and training cost. Admittedly, tech enthusiasts are already criticizing ChatGPT, citing its computational cost and power as a big obstacle. Guess what? Plans are underway to improve today's ChatGPT. However, that won't change the fact that the chatbot is a sophisticated AI language model that requires substantial computational resources to optimally operate it. In other words, running the model in today's conventional computers requires access to specialized hardware systems. If you choose to do that on specific low-end systems with limited computational power, it may result in lowered processing time, reduced accuracy, and other issues. Therefore, intended enterprise users must consider this before jumping on the bandwagon. Likewise, training neural networks requires a lot of energy because researchers depend on massive server farms to provide data for training the powerful program. As a result, cooling the data centers makes the AI chatbots incredibly thirsty. One study disclosed that training GPT-3 alone consumed about 700,000 liters of water.